Welcome to Sessions on Python Tutorials, where we break down Python programming in the simplest way. I'm your host, and today we are featuring a seasoned professor and practitioner who will help us diving into the Python's most important data type, tuples. From storing data to performing calculations, these are the building blocks of every Python program. Stay tuned and watch till the end for clear explanations and practical insights to level up your coding skills. Master AI effortlessly with our channel, covering Python, free AI tools, data engineering, generative AI, cloud fundamentals, and more. Perfect for beginners, researchers, academics, and professionals. Subscribe now, hit like, and share with your friends and colleagues to stay ahead in the AI revolution. Over to you, sir.
Today we are going to discuss about tuples. I have mentioned about tuples earlier in my previous class, which is one of the most important data types. So tuples can also accommodate different types of data types within it, just like the list. So the tuples can accommodate float, tuples can accommodate char, tuples can accommodate string, tuple can accommodate integers. So different types of data types tuple can accommodate. That is the beauty of tuple. So what is the difference between tuples and list for that matter? So let us write here first about the tuples. So what is a tuple? As I have already told you that tuple can accommodate different types of data types. So if I am writing here tuple and then the difference with list. Tuples are immutable, or they or tuples are not have a guess mutable. That means, however, on the other hand, lists are mutable. Okay, that means you can modify list, you cannot modify tuples. Tuples cannot be modified, list can be modified. Now let's understand it with a piece of code. So if I write TPL equals to, let's say 18, then XISS, then board, then 29.23, and try to print it, print TPL, hit run, I will get this output, right? So you can see that it can accommodate string, it can accommodate numbers, it can accommodate floats. So these three types of things it can be easily accommodated, all types of data types within the tuple. Now if I would like to access the data types or the elements inside the tuple, so I can easily access them by mentioning the position. Let's see. So 0 is the first position. Okay, if I copy and paste it here, change the position to 3, then I will get this float. Okay, now again if I change the position to, let's say 1, and hit run, I will get XISS as the output. Now as I was saying that tuple are immutable, so if I really want to change the value, let's say in third position, that is 0, 1 and 2, in place of 4, if I would like to replace it with Hyundai and hit run, so I will encounter an error. Why? Because tuple object does not support item assignment. That is, they are not mutable. Hope you have understood this and enjoyed this.
If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and share it with others who might benefit. Explore the description for a link to our Udemy course, where you'll learn techniques to use generative AI to automate your daily tasks. Also, check out this YouTube channel for more videos covering Python, data engineering, ETL, cloud computing, generative AI, and much more. See you in the next video.